If your fireplace blower ductwork is disconnected, you're probably noticing way less airflow and wondering what's up with that. So, first thing, check where the ductwork actually got disconnected. Sometimes it's just a loose clip or a slipped joint that you can pop back together without much hassle. Make sure the blower is off before you touch anything. Safety first, right? You can clean out any dust or debris in the duct too, because that stuff can block airflow big time. Tighten any screws or clamps holding the ducts in place so they don't come apart again. If the duct is damaged or bent, try to straighten it out or replace that section. Also, inspect the blower fan itself. Sometimes it gets clogged or the motor slows down, which kills the airflow. Finally, test it after fixing everything to see if the air is flowing like it's supposed to. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace blower ductwork disconnected is ignoring the problem and hoping it fixes itself, which only leads to poor heating and higher bills. Another common issue is using the wrong type or size of ductwork when replacing parts, which messes with airflow and efficiency. Lastly, not securing the ductwork properly can cause it to disconnect again real quick. To fix these, always inspect and maintain your ducts regularly, use manufacturer-recommended parts, and double-check every connection is tight before turning the blower back on. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff about fireplace repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get connected with people who actually need your skills without all the hassle.